In a world full of written information, the words that surround us can be overwhelming for people with this lifelong condition. Catherine Kindersley tests adults to see how dyslexia might be affecting them in everyday life. Cara is meeting her for tests because she wants to know whether dyslexia is shaping the way she copes day to day.
It's funny how everything happens at once. I left my job and then me and my boyfriend are not together and I'm moving flat and, oh, you get a bit stressed, can't you, over silly things. Just feeling the most unorganised I've ever felt at the moment. It can make you feel a little bit worried about things, really.
This is going to be a revealing session for Cara. Catherine is going to scrutinise how she copes with the information life bombards us all with. Catherine checks how well Cara can hold on to exact sequences of numbers in her memory by asking her to repeat them back.
3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 7, 1.
This time, I want you to say the numbers backwards.
Oh my goodness. 7, 6, 2, 4.
Colours.
Catherine now tests how quickly and accurately Cara can find the right words to describe the colours and images she sees.
Blue, red, green, black, brown, yellow, red, black, black, brown, yellow, brown, green, red, yellow, star, fish, pencil, key, chair, star, pencil, fish, boat, star, chair, key, chair, boat, fish.
OK, well done.
Cara sails through some of the exercises, but they're about to become more demanding.
I'm going to say 2 words to you, and I'm going to ask you how they are alike. In what way are an anchor...
Today's aim is to reveal Cara's difficulties, but she's now feeling exposed as her ability to describe the meanings of words is tested.
They're alike because they're forms of... My vocabulary is really not good today. I get really frustrated when I'm talking. I can't catch the word I'm wanting to use.
It's just that it doesn't seem to pull out.
Yeah, exactly.
Pull out the right bit of the brain when you, or from the brain when you need it. I'm just going to hear you read aloud.
This is the most challenging task for Cara, especially under these test conditions.
Private Charles Nodler was attached to a company, and was fighting in the jungles of Okinawa. All the men in his squad and company had been killed or severely wounded, or severely wounded.
Where was Private Charles Nodler fighting? Do you remember that?
In Japan, in Konoha.
And how long before reinforcements would arrive?
I can't even remember what I read. This is really thick for me, but I can't think right now.
Well done for working through all of that.
I don't think my brain's worked this much in about 10 years.
It's a lot of concentration, isn't it?
The way Cara processes language gives Catherine a clear-cut diagnosis.
Because of the dyslexic difficulty of decoding or breaking down words into their sounds, the effort that you are putting in to really make sure that you're reading the words accurately means that you're not holding on to the meaning at the same time.
Maybe sometimes I have to read it 8 to 10 times to get what it's meaning.
Yes.
She's also detected that Cara's short-term memory is weak.
There is a dip, if you like, in your ability to hold on to information in your mind in the short term.
This is the most common characteristic of dyslexia, but it's a real eye-opener for Cara.
I mean, in normal life, we have to do quite a lot of, remembering messages, organising daily life, remembering where things have been put.
Yeah.
Are you well organised in that way?
I would say all
That it's that memory challenge, which is affecting your organisation as well. It's just you've lost it. It's slipped your mind, or you're now concentrating on something else. So that is completely characteristic of dyslexia.
The diagnosis has given Cara an explanation for her scattiness, but it's making her question why she's never faced up to her condition until now.
I felt really, really naked in there. Suddenly today I was put in a situation where it was almost like I couldn't disappear. It's really weird because, you know, it's just a silly little test, but it just made me, oh God, it just made me realise that in life we choose to follow our comfort zone, and that's bad. You know, you should push yourself to do things that aren't comfortable.